AI is everywhere, and I'm here with ITQ, sponsored with Nvidia.
Absolutely.
Yes, please introduce yourself.
Yes, so I'm Johan van Amersfoort, Chief Evangelist and AI Lead at ITQ.
Cool, I'm pretty excited. What are you guys doing?
Yeah, so we're here today at the Red Hat Summit to basically showcase how we think AI should run on OpenShift. And we build a solution to enable a robot dog with AI, and let it recognize gestures. And we basically use the entire Red Hat stack to train it, to expose it as an application, and to showcase it here at the booth.
Wow, pretty amazing. So this is, I can imagine a lot of image recognition and also have it.
Yep.
Other models. What
Yeah.
are you using exactly?
Yeah, so we used YOLO as a framework, as a base. Kind of that was our core component to train a model to recognize, first of all, hands. We used a data set of 14,000 images to basically train a model, and then validate it with obviously with a new data set. But what we quickly found out is that training a model on a certain gesture is an issue. So instead, we're now using landmarks, and the landmarks are landmarks. There are 21 landmarks on your hand, so that's basically positions on your head. And what we now do is basically create a function in Python that recognizes a landmark and uses the recognized images in combination with the landmark to send the gesture to the dog. So instead of now having to add more pictures with every gesture we want to send to the dog and train the dog on, we now just create a function in Python based on the landmarks, and we're done. We don't have to retrain the dog, and it just works.
Wow, pretty brilliant. And what frameworks are you using? Are you using RAL AI or?
Yeah, so no, so the whole backend now runs on OpenShift, but to train the dog, we use a workbench in OpenShift AI to basically, gather data, label the data, train the model, validate the model, and eventually expose the model using the inference server.
That's amazing. And I see that you have a dog here showcasing in the stand.
Yeah. So we're showcasing at the stand. The dog is basically walking around.
You see?
Yeah, and if we now would send a gesture, so is this going to be on screen? Maybe a little bit. So I'll hop out of the image, but you'll see me there. So if I now would send a gesture, like it does not know what my gesture is right now, but you can see the landmarks. So if I would change it to a thumb
up, yeah,
a thumbs up, which it does not. Obviously, it's a live demo. Let's do a thumbs down.
Oh, I can see that it's doing the labeling.
So you can see it recognizes the thumbs down. So if you zoom into the dog, it'll, in a bit, do a front.
That's amazing.
Yeah, so that's kind of what we're doing here. We're basically making dumb stuff smart using AI.
That's incredible. And how can people get in touch with you and your company?
Yeah, so we're ITQ, itq.eu. If you want to know more about the dog, you can drop me an email at johan@itq.eu. And we're basically happy to talk you through and help you with everything AI.
Thank you very much, and let's have more AI in this world. Bye.
See ya.